Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulya, Rahma, Dinda, Siregar. So, today I will presentation about pollution. So, today we will learn about pollution. So, what is pollution? Pollution is noise, smoke, dust, stuff. All is that pollution. We say pollution is everything that make unhealthy and dirty. There is three kinds of pollution. First, air, second, water, and the last is soil. And a dirty air, water, and soil are affected by pollution. Let's understand types of each pollution one by one. First, air pollution. Air pollution happens when the air gets dirty. The cause of air pollution is smoke from industrial and all the dirty and unhealthy. From industrial, there is carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds, and harmful chemicals. So, air pollution is also the reason of increase in global warming because increasing atmospheric temperature due to the fast increasing level of greenhouse gas. After air pollution, there is water pollution. Water pollution is a water that many dirty and unhealthy. There is many of rubbish. Now, second, we will learn about water pollution. Water pollution is dangerous in the water, like in the beach or in the sea. Water pollution can make everything that live in the water can die because rubbish or dirty in the water. Besides that, water pollution is contamination from the body. Reason for water contamination: leaching or rocks, decay of organic matters, decay of dead matters, silting, and soil erosion. After we learn about water pollution, now we learn about soil pollution. Soil pollution is destruction of the Earth's inner surface. It is caused by soil plots and chemicals. The diseases that can make because soil pollution is respiration illness, bronchitis, cancer, and asthma. So for everyone, you all don't throw your rubbish into the earth or everywhere. So throw your rubbish in the good place to throw the rubbish. Okay? Everything that live in the water can die because rubbish or dirty in the water. Besides that, water pollution is contamination from the body. Reason for water contamination: leaching or rocks, decay of organic matters, decay of dead matters, silting, and soil erosion. After we learn about water pollution, now we learn about soil pollution. Soil pollution is destruction of the Earth's inner surface. It is caused by soil plots and chemicals. The diseases that can make because soil pollution is respiration illness, bronchitis, cancer, and asthma. So for everyone, you all don't throw your rubbish into the earth or everywhere. So throw your rubbish in the good place to throw the rubbish. Okay? Okay everyone, maybe until here presentation from me. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Riris Sari, and in this chance let me present about my critical and evaluative listening journal. I put this video from YouTube, and this video is about San Francisco Compost Program. Here we go. The US has massive food waste problems. About 40% or about 1,500 calories per person per day goes uneaten. US wastes around half of all fruits, vegetables, and seafood. Food waste today in the US is 50% more than what was in the 1970s. It's a fun fact that there's more food in landfills than any other thing they throw away. San Francisco implements city-wide program to collect all organic waste to turn it into compost for farmers. After all the organic waste is collected, processing starts to composting. San Francisco compost program is so great because the government wanted it. By looking at the video, I think that every country can solve their problem if there is one thing, there's a 1K that cooperation between person, people, community, and the government. Like in San Francisco, they work together to collect organic waste and processing and composting them into compost, then send them to farmers. I think that's so amazing because something that just thrown away can be something useful for other people. I think Indonesia can start doing like San Francisco because according to lifeboardkind.com, Indonesia produces up to 13 million tons food waste per year. Okay, I think that's all for me. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rani Pramudita. Now I will tell you about video that I watch and listen to. From the video, we can know how can we manage waste better. From the video, we learn about the principle of 7R. The first R is reading. We should reading about our habits, our needs, and our basic requirements. The second R is refuse. Refuse anything that will harm our environment. Example like we refuse plastic bag. The third R is reduce. This principle focuses on reducing waste generation. This can be done by repairing, reusing, and sharing. The fourth R is reuse. It means using something again or more than one time. The fifth R is recycle. Recycle means reprocessing of unwanted material into a new useful product. The sixth R is regulate. Actually, we throw away our waste anywhere. To control this, we need a rules and regulation to keep a control on our activity. And the last one is research. We must research an innovative ways to reuse the unwanted material and reduce the generation of waste. As we all know, waste is one of the main problem in this country, especially in our capital city, Jakarta. So this video very useful in dealing with trash problem. This 7R principle should be applied throughout the country to make Indonesia cleaner from trash. Okay, I think that's what I can say. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saddam Ibnu Saputra. Here I will explain about my first video. Based on my first video, there is about the type of pollution that happen in our earth. There are 3 types of pollution, including air, land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. In the beginning, I will explain about land pollution. And the first pollution is land pollution. The causes of land pollution are landfill site. Landfill site can destroy natural habitats, and household waste can spread toxic chemicals from the waste into the soil. The pesticide and herbicide are one example. They can get food chains when the plants covered in the toxic chemicals are eaten by humans. The second pollution is air pollution. When we burn something, the smoke comes off it contains tiny solid particles that hang around in the atmosphere. Human and animal breathe them in, causing damage to the lungs. And the last pollution is water pollution. This includes pesticide, herbicide, sewage, and fertilizer. All of this can get into waterways, but the last to continue nitrates. When they are washed into the water, it can cause algae to grow up very rapidly, but it will then die. The microorganism break it down and use a lot of oxygen out of the water to inspire and make low oxygen level. That means aquatic organism like fish die. I think enough for me. Goodbye and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Choirunnisa Nur Fitria. In this video, I will explain about air pollution. Air pollution occurs when the air is contaminated with any chemical, physical, or biological agents. Outdoor air pollution can be polluted by natural or biogenic and human or anthropogenic. Natural or biogenic source of air pollution like pollen, bushfire, or dust from desert. Next is human or anthropogenic, commonly due to industry, burning fossil fuel, and motor vehicles. Next is indoor air pollution. Source of indoor pollutant is soil fuel like wood, charcoal, dung, or crop waste that you use for cooking or heating. And the last is how to reduce air pollution. First is saving energy. 2. Using public transportation. And 3. Don't burn literally. I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.